Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this easy DIY favor bags for kids birthday party. If you have picked this boss baby theme, you can make these favor bags at home really easy, and it's very cheap. So let me show you how I did this. First, let me share the picture. As you can see in the picture, it came out really good. So you will need these bags. These are from dollar store. Usually they dollar for 2 or 3 bags depending on the size. So I got those bags from Dollar Tree. And then for the image, you can just print out from your website or from Google. Try to do PNG for logo. So you can do for anything. This is the boss baby theme, but you can do any theme at home. And as you can see, I have cut it out really clean, neatly. You just need to good cutting skill for this. Use good scissors to cut it out. And then so I try to keep all the logo at the same size, and whatever image you pick, try to do it same size. So as you can see, I have tried to pick all different characters. I mean, they are all boss baby, but I try to pick the different styles of the boss baby. So one with the suitcase, one just sitting on the chair. So I just printed out them and neatly cut it out. As you can see, I already used one image on one of my bag. Here it is. You just have to glue them on the back very neatly. Use clear glue if you can find. And as you can see, all the bags turn out really good. I also have shared DIY backdrop stand video on my channel. No need to pay extra money to make this simple favor bags at home. There are many options. I used like one big image and logo, but as you can see, I found this on the website too. So just if you want to do like all small on each bag, you can do 5-6 different character on the each bag. I hope this DIY works out for you guys, and I hope you have enjoyed watching this video.